Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So this video is very important for all the B.ed CET aspirants, those who are targeting the 2023 examination and those who are targeting the top colleges through B.ed CET. Guys, we have an important announcement to make that we have launched the crash course batch for the year 2023. Mind you that this is the last batch before your examination. So if you are an aspirant who is interested in learning more about the B.ed or want to pursue your career in the teaching field, then this crash course is perfect for you guys. In this course, we'll be covering everything you need to know, from educational philosophy to classroom management techniques. Our goal is to help you become a confident, knowledgeable, and effective teacher. So if you're ready to take your teaching skills to the next level, enroll in a B.ed crash course batch today itself, guys, if you want to end up with the top colleges through B.ed. And what you will be getting in the crash course batch, you will be provided with the books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You will be solving 10,000 plus questions and you will be getting a proper mentorship. So you can join our live classes as well as the classroom sessions. You will be provided with everything regardless of the batches you have joined. So you can always prepare for the B.ed CET and the ELCT examination if you are targeting for the English medium schools and colleges. So guys, this will be the last batch for the year 2023, and if you want to start your preparations for the 2024, you can call our numbers 8828581455 if you're looking for the live class and online session. And if you are in Mumbai looking for classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Dadar, Borivali, Vasai and Thane. All the important links related to self-study materials and resources I've pinned down in the description box. Kindly check the description and get started with the preparations, guys. So don't forget to call our numbers and book your seat right away. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'll see you in some another video. Till then, take care and prepare well.